Hello everyone. I'm going to share my experience with today. I'm NAVEEN Kumar from CSE Department, Panimalar Engineering College. They have a lots of support me with transportation, cafeteria, and labs and libraries. They supported me more lot, and my encouragement from my faculties and HODs was on the high level. They guided me. They helped me so lot for this placement training. And the placement training conducted by the college was the QSpider. It was very nice. They trained me well for the aptitude and technical interviews, codings, etc. Very well. So my interview experience was very nice. It was conducted by the first round is aptitude, the second round is coding, and it is followed by technical interviews. It will be a very struggle for me, but I easily passed that because of the training conducted by my college. So it helped me more load lot. So on the conclusion, I say for my juniors is you have to try more and more, and you have to learn more and more to get the high offers. So try hard, you will get good offers.